Okay, I'm just going to do another run while I'm waiting for these batteries to heat up. Right, and then we'll bring her back and let her cool down again. We'll go again. So this is a run on the first set of batteries which haven't been recharged. So it is. Just, it saves me going home and spending hours putting them on storage. So that's what we're going for here. Let's see what we get. I've come down the pinion again, so I have. We should get a go. So these are second run on these batteries. They're not on their cold batteries as well. So they are, so let's go. Okay. Let her cool down again. Let's see what that was. That's second run on those batteries as well, so she maybe not be a great speed, but she'll be, but she'll be all right. Turn that off. That's all right, leave that on. Get the fan back on her. And then we'll take those batteries out. Take that out. Hopefully she'll cool down. Let's see what she got on the second run on those batteries. So second run on cold batteries that's going to be. But I did come down the pinion. Stop. Read 145. So the first run on those batteries there was 146. So coming down the pinion, yeah, I'd gone up one pinion or 1/5 in the pinion and I shouldn't have done. So we'll try again here and see if we can get more. But all in all, I'm enjoying tonight. Everything's going well. Everything's going very, very, very well.